Hey guys, John Olson, General Manager, Palm Harbor Homes, Wholesale Division in Tulsa. Happy 4th of July week. We have our promo codes going on right now. You can win up to $7,500 in free upgrades in your house. Win $3,500 to use on anything you want, site improvements. We're giving away free skirting. I've even got a $5,000 furniture package set aside for one lucky winner. Our first 10 appointments are guaranteed winners going on this week. Give us a call, 918-234-8900, or visit my website, tulsa.palmharbor.com. Go up to the request more info, put your info in there. Our internet sales lead guy, Mike Quinn, will send you out a promo code, and we will win. This week alone, this is our biggest promo going on right now. We've got furniture. I've even got appliance packages that we're giving away. The sky's the limit, what you want to do. We look forward to seeing you.